Today I will give you a suggestion to decorate the Lunar New Year in Vietnamese style. We called it Tet Holiday. First I sketch out the idea on 4 easy images. Now make the decorations. This is paper cutting artwork. I find the sample on internet. Print it on the red paper and using the scalpel to cut it. Stick it on the yellow background, make the contract and glue it on the red paper plate. Ban Tet, the cylindric glutinous rice cake. I draw a circle on cereal box cover. It have to bigger than the toilet paper core. I making the wrapping for the 2 ends of toilet paper roll. Fold down, follow the middle circle. Stick it to the roll with sticky tape. Hide anything you want inside, first used to decor, after that it will become the reward for kids. Make the same way with the other circle, using double side tape to stick it. Stick the yellow string like we tie it. Cherry blossom. I use 20c chocolate coin to make the petal flower. Is cut along the red line to make the sepal. Draw the stamens in the middle of flower. Put two layers pink flower, one green sepal together. Use sharpen tool to make the hole. Use twist ties to keep them. You can adjust the size easily. Collect the branch in the park, tie the flowers on it. Now I have a beautiful cherry blossom tree. Arranging the decorations, follow the sketch. Take photo and edit if needed. Look better. Sewing and wearing AOD on Tet is traditional in Vietnam. I also cooking glutinous rice cake. The lights look really nice. I love this corner. Hanging calligraphy is also another tradition on Tet Holiday in Vietnam. Of course I can't write it, print it out and hanging on cherry blossom branch. Finished. 1, 2, 3. Light on. Happy New Year.